What if I told you that it's very easy to generate $900 just by transforming ancient history into captivating YouTube shorts that leave viewers craving more? And all of this just by leveraging AI tools available on the internet. Sounds interesting? Well, I'm here to reveal my secret process to make viral shorts that help me generate hundreds and thousands of dollars. The best part is that you can replicate the strategy and start creating your own viral shorts. Let's get started. The foundation of any captivating video lies in its script. This step is crucial because a well-crafted script can make the difference between an average video and a viral sensation. To generate an engaging script, I rely on ChatGPT, a powerful AI language model. Here's a detailed breakdown of how I approach this process. By the way, a link to the AI tools I'm using will be mentioned in the video description, so check them out after watching the video. First, I open ChatGPT and prepare to create a detailed prompt. This initial prompt is key to ensuring that AI understands exactly what I'm looking for. For example, if I'm making a video about Genghis Khan's unique military strategies, I'll type something like, "Write a short script about Genghis Khan's innovative military strategies and how they contributed to his success as a conqueror." Being specific helps the AI generate content that is both relevant and informative. Once I have my prompt ready, I input it into ChatGPT. The AI quickly generates a script based on the information provided. At this point, it's important to review the script carefully. I read through the generated content to ensure it aligns with my vision and the message I want to convey. Sometimes the initial output might need some adjustments. I might find that certain parts are too vague or overly detailed, and that's perfectly fine. To refine the script, I engage in a bit of back and forth with ChatGPT. I can ask the AI to modify specific sections by providing additional instructions. For instance, if a particular segment about Genghis Khan's tactics feels too generic, I might say, "Can you elaborate on how Genghis Khan used psychological warfare to outsmart his enemies?" ChatGPT will then provide a revised section that adds more depth and specifics to the script. During this iterative process, I pay close attention to the flow and coherence of the script. It's crucial that the narrative is engaging and easy to follow. I also ensure that the information is accurate and interesting, as this will keep viewers hooked. If needed, I do a quick fact check or add some of my own knowledge to enhance the script further. Before we go ahead, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more interesting videos like these. Once I'm satisfied with the script, I read it out loud to see how it sounds. This helps me catch any awkward phrasing or unnatural sentences. A script that reads well in text might not always sound great when spoken, so this step is essential for creating a polished final product. Creating visually appealing content is crucial for grabbing and maintaining viewers' attention, especially for YouTube Shorts. I use Midjourney, a powerful AI tool, to generate stunning images that bring my scripts to life. Here's how I go about this process step by step. To start, I access Midjourney. This AI tool operates through a Discord bot, so the first step in joining the Midjourney Discord server. Once I'm in, I look for the channels where I can interact with the bot, usually labeled as newbie channels for new users to practice and learn. I then prepare a descriptive prompt for the AI to generate the images I need. The key here is to be as specific as possible. If my script involves Genghis Khan and his military strategies, I'll craft a prompt like, "Create a detailed image of Genghis Khan leading his army in a strategic formation on horseback." Specific prompts help the AI understand exactly what I'm envisioning. After crafting my prompt, I type it into the appropriate Discord channel and wait for the AI to generate the images. Midjourney usually provides multiple variations based on the prompt, giving me a range of options to choose from. This is incredibly helpful because it allows me to pick the image that best fits the tone and style of my video. Once the images are generated, I review them carefully. I look for images that capture the essence of my script and have the visual appeal to attract viewers. If the initial set of images doesn't quite match my expectations, I can tweak my prompt and try again. For example, I might ask for more specific elements or a different artistic style, such as create an image of Genghis Khan in a realistic art style, focusing on his armor and the Mongolian landscape. When I find the perfect image, I download it directly from Discord. I save these images in a dedicated folder on my computer organizing them according to the script sections they correspond to. This makes it easier to find and use them later during the video editing process. Additionally, I sometimes need to edit the generated images slightly to fit my video format or to add specific details. For this, I use image editing software like Adobe Photoshop or Canva. Simple edits like cropping, adding text, or adjusting colors can make a significant difference in the final presentation. After generating stunning images with Midjourney, the next step is to bring them to life through animation. This is where Runway comes in. Runway is an AI-powered platform that makes animating static images both straightforward and effective. Here's how I utilize Runway to create dynamic, engaging animations for my YouTube Shorts. First, I sign into my Runway account. Once logged in, I navigate to the Projects section and start a new project. Runway's user interface is intuitive, making it easy for me to upload the images I've created with Midjourney. I simply drag and drop the images into the workspace. With my images in place, I begin the animation process. Runway offers various tools and templates designed to animate images. One of the tools I often use is the Image to Animation feature, as this tool leverages AI to add motion to static images, creating the illusion of a moving scene. For instance, if I have an image of Genghis Khan leading his army, I can animate the horse's movements, the waving flags, or even the dust rising from the ground. I start by selecting the parts of the image I want to animate. Runway's interface allows me to draw paths and set key points on the image. For example, I can outline a horse and draw a path to simulate its movement. I then adjust the keyframes to control the speed and direction of the motion. This step requires a bit of trial and error to get the animation looking natural, but Runway's real-time preview helps a lot. Another feature I find incredibly useful is the ability to add layers to my animations. This means I can animate different parts of the image independently. For instance, I might animate Genghis Khan's horse in one layer and the background mountains in the other. This layered approach adds depth and realism to the animation, making the scene more immersive. Once I'm satisfied with the basic movements, I refine the animation by adjusting parameters like easing and looping. Easing controls how the animation starts and stops, which can make movements appear more fluid and realistic. Looping is particularly important for YouTube Shorts, as it ensures that animations play seamlessly without abrupt starts or stops. Runway also allows me to add effects to my animations. For example, I can apply a motion blur to enhance the sense of movement, or add particle effects like sparks or smoke to make battle scenes more dramatic. These effects are easy to apply and customize thanks to Runway's user-friendly interface. After fine-tuning the animations, I export the final video clips. Runway supports various export options, allowing me to choose the best format and resolution for my needs. I typically export in high definition to ensure the animations look crisp and professional. I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you have any questions, comment them down below. The final touch to my YouTube Shorts involves adding a compelling voiceover, and for this, I rely on 11 Labs. This platform offers advanced AI-driven text-to-speech capabilities that deliver high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers. Here's how I use 11 Labs to bring my videos to life with engaging narration. First, I log into my 11 Labs account and navigate to the TTS section. 11 Labs provides a variety of voice options, each with distinct tones and styles. Depending on the theme of my video, I can choose a voice that matches the mood I want to convey. For a historical narration about Genghis Khan, for example, I might select a deep, authoritative voice to enhance the gravity and intensity of the story. I start by preparing the script that I previously generated. This script serves as the backbone of my voiceover, guiding the narration and ensuring it aligns with the visuals. I copy and paste the text into the TTS input field on 11 Labs. Next, I fine-tune the voice settings. 11 Labs allows me to adjust parameters such as speed, pitch, and emphasis to make the voiceover sound more natural and engaging. I might slow down the speech for a dramatic effect or emphasize certain words to highlight key points. These adjustments are crucial for making the narration feel dynamic and immersive, rather than monotonous. Once the settings are in place, I generate a preview of the voiceover. 11 Labs produces a high-quality audio file almost instantly, which I can listen to and evaluate. If I notice any parts that need tweaking, perhaps the pronunciation of a name or the pacing of a sentence, I can easily make those adjustments and regenerate the preview. This iterative process ensures that the final voiceover is polished and professional. In addition to basic adjustments, 11 Labs also offers advanced features like emotional tone modulation. This allows me to infuse the narration with specific emotions, making the storytelling more compelling. For example, I can add a sense of urgency or excitement during battle scenes, or a tone of reflection and wisdom when discussing Genghis Khan's legacy. After I'm satisfied with my voiceover, I download the audio file. The high-quality MP3 or WAV file is ready to be integrated into my video project. I import this file into my video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro and synchronize it with the animated visuals. Synchronizing the voiceover with the animation is a critical step. I ensure that the narration matches the timing of the visuals, enhancing the overall coherence of the video. This synchronization involves carefully aligning the audio with key moments in the animation, such as a dramatic pause coinciding with a close-up shot of Genghis Khan. Finally, I adjust the audio levels to ensure the voiceover is clear and prominent without overpowering any background music or sound effects. This balance is essential for maintaining the professionalism of the final product. I source royalty-free music and sound effects that align with the theme and mood of my video. Platforms like Epidemic Sound and Soundstripe offer extensive libraries of high-quality audio tracks and effects suitable for various genres and purposes. Whether I'm creating an epic historical narrative or a lighthearted tutorial, these resources provide me with the perfect soundtrack to complement my content. Once I've selected the appropriate music and sound effects, I import them into my video editing software alongside the animated visuals and voiceover. This integration process involves careful placement and timing to ensure that the audio enhances rather than distracts from the storytelling. For instance, I might choose an orchestral score to underscore pivotal moments in my narrative, amplifying the drama and intensity of battle scenes or emotional revelations. Adjusting the volume levels of music and sound effects is crucial to achieving a balanced audio mix. I ensure that the voiceover remains clear and prominent, while the music and sound effects complement the visuals without overwhelming them. This delicate balance creates a cohesive audio-visual experience that captivates viewers and immerses them in the narrative world I've created. Moreover, I utilize audio editing tools with my video editing software to fine-tune the audio tracks. This includes adjusting the EQ settings to enhance clarity and resonance, applying fades and transitions for smooth transitions between scenes, and layering multiple tracks to create depth and richness in the audio landscape. Finally, I review the entire video with the audio elements integrated to ensure everything flows seamlessly. This process of refining and polishing ensures that the music and sound effects not only enhance the storytelling, but also evoke the desired emotions and engagement from my audience. Editing is where I bring all the elements together to craft a polished and cohesive narrative in my YouTube shorts. First, I import all the elements I prepared: the scripted content, animated visuals, voiceover music, and sound effects into CapCut's intuitive interface. This software allows me to organize my timeline efficiently, placing each element in the correct sequence to build a compelling story. Using CapCut's editing tools, I trim and arrange video clips to ensure smooth transitions between scenes. I focus on pacing, ensuring that the video flows naturally and maintains the viewer's engagement throughout. For instance, I may cut out unnecessary pauses or adjust the timing of animated sequences to align with the voiceover and music beats. Furthermore, CapCut's text and subtle features are invaluable for adding content and enhancing accessibility in my shorts. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like this entire process of creating history shorts using AI. Subscribe for more videos like this.